Powering both work and play, Dragonfly Energy manufactures deep-cycle lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries for trucking, industrial applications, and energy storage, as well as RVs, marine vessels, and, of course, off-grid homes. Known for their safety, reliability, and sustainability, Dragonfly's LFP batteries use non-toxic chemistry, avoid scarce metals, offer long cycle life, and provide strong thermal and chemical stability. It's also developing solid-state battery technology using its patented dry electrode process, which reduces flammability risks and lowers production costs. Let's see what this battery is made of and how it's charging by outlining its business structure, products, and technological progress, as well as the support and recognition it's received. Dragonfly operates under two brands: Battle-Born Batteries, which focuses on direct-to-consumer (DTC) sales, and Dragonfly Energy, which serves original equipment manufacturers (OEMs). Since 2020, it's sold over 330,000 batteries and signed a 7-year licensing agreement with Dragonfly Energy to expand commercialization, projected to generate $30 million. At the same time, Dragonfly continues to gain traction with OEMs, including RV giants like Airstream, Thor Industries, and Forest River. Dragonfly also bolstered its distribution by partnering with Keystone Automotive Group and Meyer Distribution, extending its reach to RV and marine dealer networks. In late 2024, Dragonfly moved to a larger 390,240 square foot facility in Reno, increasing its production capacity and automating assembly processes. On top of that, it's expanding into heavy-duty trucking and oil and gas sectors with new pilot programs and partnerships. For example, it's working with Stevens Transport, one of North America's largest temperature-controlled freight carriers, with the goal of hybrid fleet electrification. This involves Dragonfly's lithium iron phosphate (LiFePO4) hybrid approach that combines traditional combustion engines with high-performance lithium batteries, lowering emissions, reducing fuel consumption, and enhancing efficiency. After extensive testing, Stevens has committed to converting its 2,500 truck fleet to Dragonfly's Battle-Born all-electric APU systems, which already began with 100 trucks in early 2025. The transition will continue until the entire fleet is upgraded. Stevens Transport's leadership confirmed the technology exceeded expectations and supports their long-term strategy of adopting practical sustainability solutions before full fleet electrification, helping to set a strong precedent for hybrid adoption across the trucking industry. Dragonfly Energy has also expanded its partnership with Airstream, making Battle-Born LiFePO4 batteries standard in Airstream's model year 2026 Interstate and Atlas motorized lines. These batteries are available as standard or optional upgrades across Airstream's entire product lineup. The collaboration centers on Airstream's advanced power system, which includes 3 BBGC3 LiFePO4 batteries, providing 10.3 kilowatt-hours of usable energy, with integrated heating, alternator charging compatibility, and solar integration. The Advanced Power Plus system adds up to 2 more batteries for additional power. This partnership strengthens Dragonfly's role as Airstream's trusted lithium battery provider, supporting extended off-grid travel and power independence. Similarly, Dragonfly expanded its partnership with Ember Recreational Vehicles, standardizing Battle-Born batteries in the 2026 Overland Series travel trailers. The Max Solar package now includes 3.5 to 7 kilowatt-hours of LiFePO4 batteries, 1,200 watts of solar panels, a 3,000-watt inverter/charger, and a DC-to-DC charger for on-the-road charging. Ember has used Dragonfly batteries since its founding, and this move strengthens the company's reliance on Dragonfly's technology. A newer customer came in the form of the first order from Werner Enterprises for Battle-Born dual-flow power pack systems following a successful pilot program. These lithium-powered systems provide hotel load power during driver rest periods, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Werner's extensive testing confirmed the system's reliability and efficiency, marking another key milestone for Dragonfly's expansion into the heavy-duty trucking market. The dual-flow power pack assembled in North America, helps fleets comply with idling regulations while lowering costs and extending starter battery life for long-haul trucks. Unveiled at the 2025 TMC Annual Meeting and Transportation Technology Exhibition, the Battle-Born Dual-Flow Power Pack installs under the bunk in less than an hour with no truck modifications and is universally compatible, largely due to its compact LifePO 4-power system. Since the dual-flow power pack reduces the need to idle, fleets save an estimated 4 gallons of fuel per day per truck. When the truck is in motion, the system recharges via wake-speed charge control technology without using additional fuel. With a low upfront cost and ROI in under a year, it offers immediate savings through reduced fuel use, fewer battery replacements, and lower maintenance costs. Built with LifePO 4 chemistry and a robust battery management system, the Power Pack is safe, durable, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Dragonfly Energy markets the dual-flow power pack as a hybrid electrification solution that enhances efficiency without overhauling existing fleet infrastructure, ideal for sleeper cab trucks lacking auxiliary air conditioning. The dual-flow power pack also expands Dragonfly's trucking solutions, complementing the Battle-Born all-electric APU and liftgate power system. Taking things a step further for more validation, PACCAR Inc., together with Dragonfly, worked on a white paper evaluating lithium-powered idle reduction solutions for commercial fleets. The study compared lithium-based systems, including the Battle-Born dual-flow power pack, to traditional diesel and AGM solutions. Results highlighted reduced fuel consumption, extended engine life, lower maintenance costs, and reliable power for 10-hour rest periods, emphasizing the practical benefits of lithium technology in trucking. To keep holding a positive charge well into the future, R&D efforts are focused on advancing dry electrode manufacturing, developing safer solid-state batteries, and pursuing vertical integration to reduce costs and improve its competitive position in the energy storage market. LFP batteries, which offer significant advantages over traditional lead-acid batteries, are expected to dominate energy storage markets. Their long lifespan, ranging from 3,000 to 5,000 charge cycles, faster charging, and safety features make them attractive for RVs, marine, and off-grid applications, as well as emerging sectors like heavy-duty trucking and industrial vehicles. Dragonfly's competitive edge keeps sharpening with its push for technological leadership, intellectual property, and vertically integrated U.S.-based manufacturing. With over 40 issued patents and 39 pending applications, its proprietary battery management system ensures performance in extreme conditions. The company's proven go-to-market strategy combines direct-to-consumer sales and strong relationships with major OEMs, supported by its flagship Battle-Born line, which has established strong brand recognition. Looking ahead, Dragonfly plans to expand its battery offerings to include broader 12-volt, 24-volt, and 48-volt systems, while advancing its dry electrode manufacturing technology. These efforts will help Dragonfly meet growing demand in diverse sectors, such as long-haul trucking, emergency backup power, industrial vehicles, and utility-scale storage. A major pillar of future growth is the commercialization of its dry electrode cell manufacturing process, which eliminates solvents and reduces costs, energy consumption, and factory space. In addition to expanding its LFP portfolio, Dragonfly is exploring solid-state battery technologies to improve safety, performance, and durability. It's already working on non-flammable solid-state cells and plans to integrate these into its product lines by 2026. On the software side, Dragonfly released the Battle-Born mobile app for Android, enabling users to monitor and manage Dragonfly intelligence-equipped smart batteries across RV, marine, and off-grid systems, with real-time data, alerts, and diagnostics, as well as RVC integration via the Battle-Born Hub, ensuring compatibility with third-party platforms. In the future, battery monitoring could be getting a whole lot smarter after the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office issued a notice of allowance for its new battery communication patent. This technology allows multiple battery systems and wireless devices to share data and error codes over a mesh network, even when one system is powered down. Part of Dragonfly's intelligence platform, this technology integrates with a Battleborn Hub product to enable direct, battery-to-battery communication. As part of its financial focus, Dragonfly restructured its $94 million term loan, reducing its debt by $75 million and extending the loan's maturity date to October 2027. It used proceeds from a recent stock offering to prepay $45 million of the senior secured term loan. Additionally, lenders converted $25 million of outstanding debt into preferred stock, which is convertible to common stock at $3.15 per share, and forgave $5 million of principal. The remaining $19 million debt carries a 12% interest rate, with payments starting in December 2025. This restructuring also waived certain financial covenants through December 2026, strengthening Dragonfly's capital structure and enhancing its financial flexibility. The restructuring follows the company's recent capital raises and is aimed at supporting the expansion of its battery manufacturing and technology operations, specifically through its Battleborn Batteries brand. Q3 earnings showed 26% year-over-year sales growth, reaching $16 million. Despite a net loss of $11.1 million, gross margin improved by 710 basis points to 29.7%. A 44% increase in OEM net sales was driven by expanded partnerships, including with Airstream and Awaken RV. Since 2024, financial shifts have also been accompanied by great physical changes, which began with the relocation of headquarters to a larger Reno facility, supporting increased production capacity and automation, while a separate 64,000 square foot facility supports manufacturing and distribution. Then, to prepare for future solid-state production, commercial agreements have been secured with domestic lithium suppliers. As a relatively small company, Dragonfly received big support from the first-round funding from Nevada Tech Hub, totaling approximately $300,000, to support battery manufacturing upgrades and workforce development initiatives. The contract is in the finalization stage. The funding will be used for modernization projects, including advancement toward ISO 9001 certification, production system updates, and battery manufacturing line upgrades, with potential six-figure annual savings. Nevada Tech Hub, one of 31 federally designated tech hubs nationwide, aims to strengthen Nevada's lithium battery and critical materials supply chain. The program supports domestic lithium battery manufacturing and workforce development. Dragonfly Energy plans to use the non-dilutive capital to train and recruit production personnel in machining, automation, and maintenance, in partnership with Truckee Meadows Community College and the University of Nevada, Reno. As a Reno-based company, Dragonfly operates nearly 400,000 square feet of manufacturing space for cell manufacturing, battery pack assembly, and system integration for its Battleborn batteries. Speaking of which, the new Battleborn Inverter Charger series includes pure sine wave models with power control and inverter assist functions, integrated with Dragonfly's intelligence technology for real-time system monitoring through the Battleborn mobile app. Festively, the new inverter chargers and base series batteries were available as part of Black Friday sales, with additional product releases planned throughout 2026. In terms of its broader sales and marketing, Dragonfly emphasizes education, brand visibility, and customer engagement, leveraging digital platforms and influencer collaborations to drive adoption. Direct-to-consumer sales channels, along with a user-friendly website and expert support, remain a core part of its strategy. Dragonfly's competition comes from both traditional lead-acid battery manufacturers and emerging lithium players, with differentiators including US-based manufacturing, high-quality components, and proprietary technologies like advanced battery management systems and solid-state development. As it commercializes its solid-state solutions, Dragonfly aims to compete with companies like QuantumScape and Solid Power in stationary storage, positioning itself as a leader in next-generation energy storage. To this end, it's received credibility and recognition when it was named Battery Technology Company of the Year in the 2025 Clean Tech Breakthrough Awards, selected from thousands of nominations across 14 countries. The recognition highlights the company's industry-leading innovations in lithium battery technology, particularly its patented dry electrode manufacturing process, which eliminates toxic solvents and energy-intensive drying ovens, reducing environmental impact while enabling scalable, sustainable battery cell production. The process also supports PFAS-free cells and the use of high-purity recycled materials, contributing to circularity and responsible supply chains. The award also acknowledges Dragonfly Intelligence, the company's proprietary smart battery communication technology. Unlike traditional Bluetooth-based systems, Intelligence offers a robust hardwired network for mesh connectivity, real-time remote monitoring, remote diagnostics, and optimized energy management. This technology enhances battery safety, performance, and reliability while providing users with actionable insights through the Dragonfly Energy mobile app. So while energy storage keeps undergoing its metamorphosis, Dragonfly keeps charting progress in cost-effective, scalable, and environmentally conscious manufacturing with improved monitoring systems. For more on other energetic enterprises like Dragonfly, follow Ascencore. See you next time.